Hey guys, welcome back to EduCat for NEET. In today's video, we will cover the hormone ethylene. Ethylene is a plant hormone. We have also covered the other plant hormones, auxins, gibberellins, and cytokinins in the previous videos. If you haven't seen them, see that first. Now let's talk about ethylene. The biosynthetic pathway means from where it is derived, from where it is obtained initially. It is obtained from methionine. This methionine is an amino acid, and this amino acid gives rise to ethylene hormone. The synthesis location. Where can you find this hormone ethylene in a plant body? The stressed tissues means the older ones, the old parts, they promote this hormone which is known as ethylene. Talking about the discovery. When was it discovered? When and how? The release of a volatile substance from ripe oranges which ripened bananas. When ripe oranges were put together with unripe bananas, this unripe bananas also got ripe. This was performed by Cousins. This is the name of a person, and he performed these experiments. And he led to the conclusion that there was something which was produced by oranges, and this helped in the promotion of ripeness of bananas. This was nothing but the hormone ethylene. Now, the facts about ethylene. Ethylene is the widely used PGR, that is plant growth hormone. Ethylene is the most used, and this is a gaseous PGR. This is obtained in the form of gas, not as a liquid or a solid. This cannot be isolated so easily. It is in the form of a gas, plant hormone. The source of ethylene is ethophone. Ethophone is actually an aqueous solution. This aqueous solution can be easily sprayed on the plants. So we use ethophone rather than ethylene. Ethylene is gaseous while ethophone is aqueous. Aqueous is more easily we can use it. So ethophone is used rather than ethylene naturally. There are many uses of ethylene. In a dicot seed, it helps in the horizontal growth of seedlings. Horizontal growth. Ethylene promotes horizontal growth and swelling of axis. The axis is swelled in a dicot seed and apical hook formation. These are all the uses of ethylene in a dicot seed, in a developing dicot seed. Talking about senescence and abscission, this ethylene is known for its senescence and abscission. It promotes senescence and abscission in the plant organs such as leaves and flowers. The falling off of old leaf and flowers is promoted by ethylene. Now, this is effective in fruit ripening. It enhances the respiratory rate during ripening, and this enhances the increase in respiratory rate is known as respiratory climatic. Means, for example, we can understand right from the experiment which was performed by Cousins. When he placed already ripe oranges with unripe bananas, the bananas also got ripe. So the main function is it helps in fruit ripening. If you want the fruit to ripen easily, you can put it overnight in the form of ethylene hormone or ethophone, which is an aqueous solution. Then in the morning you can see that the fruits have been ripened. What happens actually is that it increases the respiratory rate, and this increase is known as respiratory climatic. In this way the fruits get ripened fastly. The another use is it breaks the seed and fruit dormancy. Fruits and seeds do not grow for a certain period of time. They gather nutrition rather than growing. This is known as dormancy. They stop for preparatory period, for preparations. This is broken. This dormancy is broken by ethylene. It initiates the germination in peanut seeds. Germination means the growth of shoots and roots is promoted by this ethylene hormone in peanut seeds. This initiates sprouting in potato tubers. We have seen that potato has an eye and a tuber. So this sprouting, this formation of another potato from this tuber, this ethylene is also present there and it helps in the sprouting. Ethylene promotes rapid internodal and petiole elongation in deep water rice plants. When plants are present in water, aquatic plants, it helps in the rapid internodal. These, if this is a shoot, you have nodes. The area between the nodes, this is known as an internode. So it helps in the elongation, the growth of this internodal area. the area between the two nodes, this internodal area is rapidly growth, and where this can be seen in deep water rice plants, ethylene is present. Now, it helps the leaves and the upper parts to remain above water. In these deep water plants only, it helps the leaves and the upper parts, which can perform photosynthesis, to remain above the water. It promotes root growth and root hair formation. Therefore, the area of absorption is also increased. Root growth, roots can go down and they can absorb more water. Root hair, they also help in extra absorption. In this way, ethylene increases the area of absorption. Now, it initiates flowering in pineapple and for synchronizing fruit set. We have also seen another hormone which initiates flowering in pineapple. If you know the answer, comment down below. I will check your comments. Ethylene is also one of the hormone which flowers in pineapple, and it also synchronizes the fruit set in the pineapples. It also initiates flowering in mango, and it hastens the food ripening in tomato and apple. Tomato and apple also get ripened fastly due to this ethylene. Mostly ethophone is used in these conditions. In food ripening of tomatoes and apples, ethophone is used. In the accelerate abscission in flower and fruit, thinning of cotton, cherry and walnut. When the abscission, that means the old age, the more fast ripening, it is seen in flower and fruits of cotton, cherry and walnut. This is also with the help of ethophone. It promotes female flowers in cucumber. Female flowers means more yield. Female flowers produce seeds. So the more yield is observed in the form of cucumbers. Female flowers are produced. This is also the help of ethophone. This was a brief summary about ethylene. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, like the video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any doubt, comment down below. And I've also asked you a question and I will be waiting for your answers. Thank you for watching.